my bike check V1, version 1, whatever tickles your peach. Alright, most of the parts are stock. It's because I stopped biking for a while after I had it, which was a bad choice on my part. But, alright, let's just start up top. We got the Stollen cell bars, 28 wide by 8.25 rise, Colt Van grips, my sticker coating, damn cops, just for fun, nothing against cops. Got the Colt Van's bar ends, stock stem, fit shiv fork, dance comp, doing good, love their parts. Stock fit Aitken 1 frame, 2.25, Duo Stunner low tire, 2.1 in the back, United PC pedals. Let's flip it around. Got the Colt 710 chain, chrome 1/8, nothing but chrome. Love the chains chrome. Stock rim, stock hubs, cranks, chain wheel. Just a stock seat. A lot of it's stock. Haven't put too much work into it. I ordered a bottom bracket right here, but I got the wrong size, so I have to resend it to Dancecom and get my right size. So that'll be on there soon. All right, thanks, man.
Damn, dude, that was sick.
Yeah!